Welcome to Current Affairs 360. You have got 50 questions and each question carries 1 mark. After the completion of quiz, comment your score in the comment box. Which region has witnessed protests demanding statehood and greater autonomy? Ladakh. How many people reportedly died during protests demanding statehood in Ladakh? Four. Which Indian city is known for experiencing record heavy rainfall causing major disruption? Kolkata. How many deaths were reported due to heavy rainfall in Kolkata during a recent event? 12. What is a common benchmark repo rate set by RBI in monetary policy decisions? %5.50. Which Indian political party often holds strategy meetings ahead of state assembly polls? Congress. Who commonly warns about the global arms race at international forums like the UN? Volodymyr Zelensky. Which country introduced visa rule changes impacting international students significantly? USA. India has alleged which neighboring country of attacks on its citizens at international forums? Pakistan. Which cricketer hit a record number of sixes in an Asia Cup tournament recently? Abhishek Sharma. What policy did the French government review recently related to a major car manufacturer? Supplier payments. Which amount is commonly involved in large infrastructure projects inaugurated by Indian PM? ₹1.2 lakh crore. Which country announced reallocating billions in foreign aid recently? USA. Which natural disaster caused evacuation of millions near Taiwan? Super Typhoon. India's naval chief recently met the Prime Minister of which neighboring country? Sri Lanka. Which international organization did India call for reforms? United Nations. Which country's cricket board filed a misconduct complaint against players in a recent Asia Cup? BCCI. Who was recently sentenced for financing a foreign campaign linked to Libya? Nicolas Sarkozy. What is the policy rate maintained by Sri Lanka Central Bank? %7.75%. Which country did India accuse of making false allegations at the UN Human Rights Council? India. What is the expected impact of recent GST reforms in India? Bring down prices. Which Indian Union territory imposed curfew following protests for statehood and autonomy? Ladakh. How many golf players recently received show-cause notices in relation to Premier League? (17). Which Indian minister was requested to appear before ED for questioning in a scam probe? Chandranath Sinha. What is the likely RBI action on repo rate as suggested by recent monetary policy signals? Hold steady. Which board announces Test cricket squads for India versus various international teams? BCCI. What record did Abhishek Sharma achieve in a recent Asia Cup? Most sixes. Which policy name is associated with recent US foreign aid reallocation? America First. Which Indian minister spoke on energy trade expectations with the USA? Piyush Goyal. Name the climate activist who led protests demanding statehood in Ladakh. Sonam Wangchuk. Which major Indian festival often experiences disruptions from heavy rains? Durga Puja. What is generally considered the Indian government's view on healthcare development? Key to development. Who typically chairs important meetings of the Congress Working Committee? Mallikarjun Kharge. What is a recent key topic BJP discussed regarding Congress's internal decisions? Congress CWC meeting. In which Indian state did BJP start a large house-to-house survey of households? Gujarat. India has called for reform of which United Nations body? UNSC. Which world leader recently made statements about Palestine recognition at the UNGA? Donald Trump. Which international sporting event was India proposed to host in Ahmedabad? Commonwealth Games. What is the selection criterion change expected for athletes at the upcoming Asian Games? Only medal contending. What was the reason for BCCI's complaint against Pakistani players in Asia Cup? Inappropriate actions. Which Indian cricketer was scheduled for a test series against West Indies in 2025? Jasprit Bumrah. What research focus was celebrated on IIT Delhi's iHub Foundation anniversary? Cobotics. Which country rolled out a new H-1B visa process introducing wage tiers? USA. How did Russia respond to US President's comments on Ukraine war? Rejected. Which Indian state's governor met with the Prime Minister to discuss border security? Punjab. What significant defense acquisition was announced recently by India? "97 fighter jets." The term reservation thief was used in Bihar politics against which party? BJP. Which festival season was ongoing during a recent period in India? Navratri. Which Indian cricketer recently scored a half-century against Australia? Abhishek Sharma. Who is the prominent MIM leader conducting the Seemanchal Nyay Yatra? Asaduddin Owaisi. Subscribe to our channel for updated current affairs on daily basis. Thank you.